If you want to cancel your Whoop membership or turn off auto-renewal, don't worry. It's simple and can be done via the app or website. Here's how step-by-step. First, open the Whoop app on your phone. Sign in with your account if you're not already logged in. Next, go to your account settings. Tap on your profile icon, membership or subscription. Now find auto-renewal or subscription settings. Look for the option labeled Manage Subscription or Auto-Renewal. After that, turn off auto-renewal. Slide the toggle off or tap Cancel Subscription. Confirm any prompts to finalize. Also, check your confirmation email. Whoop usually sends a confirmation that auto-renewal has been disabled. Keep this for your records. If you don't see the option in the app, log into the Whoop website. Go to Account, Membership, Cancel Subscription to disable auto-renewal. Finally, restart the app to ensure changes are applied. Your membership will remain active until the current billing period ends, but it won't auto-renew. Once done, Whoop auto-renewal is turned off, and you won't be charged for the next cycle.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.